Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a crispy Sabhudana vada at your home for Navarathiri. So for this recipe, what you need, here I soaked 1 cup of Sabhudana in the water for 25 minutes, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to drain this water. So here I removed the water from the sabudana and it's nicely soaked, guys. So we have to soak this one, as I said, for 20 to 25 minutes. And for 1 cup of sabudana, we have to take 1.5 potatoes. So here I have some boiled potatoes. I'm going to add this one into the sabudana. So I'm not going to add any onion because it's Navarathiri, and I'm making this one for the people who are doing vrat for Navarathiri. So yeah, and into this I'm adding some salt as per your taste, how much salt you want in your Sabudana vada. And 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. So here I added 1 to 2 teaspoon of red chili powder, and I'm going to add some fresh coriander leaves, and I'm going to mix all these things together. You can use spoon also, but by mixing with the hand it gives a nice taste, the vada. So take a kadai, add some oil, and in this I'm going to fry this vada. So take a small ball of ready. So I'm going to fry this one. Be careful, guys, when you are putting this sabudana because it will split everywhere. Take a small ball like this and you have to press like this with your hand and you have to put it in the oil. If you have a moofli, you can add that one also into this vada. So we have to fry this vada until it becomes fully brown and crisp. So we have to fry both the sides until it becomes brown and crisp. So my sabudana vada is ready, guys, and I'm going to remove this one from the oil. And here I am making some more sabudana vada. So yeah. So this is very easy recipe for Navarathiri, and even if you are doing vrat. See guys how crisp it is. And here I prepared some chutney, guys, and in this I added some dahi. So very good side dish for this vada. So yeah, and in this chutney also no onion, no garlic, only coriander, mint and 1 tomato, and salt. So yeah. So this is a quick video of how to make a crispy sabudana vada at your home. See you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. Bye. And I wish all my viewers a happy Navaratri, guys.